Hey guys, this is me Billy over here, and I'm back with another unboxing video. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So it has been 46 days since I put them up into the soil, and obviously they are growing big as compared to last time, and their leaves are so strong and proving that it's healthy. So yeah, and compared to last time, this one grow much more leaves. And for this one, because the last time I put it over that brown pot over there, and it just doesn't like being compact in a big pot, so I give it this small pot, and I believe it's being happy right now. So yeah, and it definitely grow too. I'm not sure because I just put it about a few weeks ago, and this one has been here for quite a long time, so it definitely has grown healthy root. And yeah, they all look so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.